Part 5. Test dumpling. 1. Test stuffing. Before test dough proceeding test stuffing, pull out the set pan and turning the forming frame clockwise by 90 degrees. Fill the stuffing funnel. Turn the coupling handle to position on. Set the controlling handle to the required position. Start the machine. See if stuffing is even without interruption. When feeding stuffing normally, after runs about 2 minutes, turn coupling handle to the position off to stop feeding stuffing. 2. Test dough pipe. Its purpose that is check up what's the volume of the dough and if the thickness of dough pipe is proper. First, push the dough propeller to proper position by adjusting the nut. Cut dough into 5 to 7 centimeters wide of strips. Put some of strips into the dough bucket. After start, the dough pipe is pressed out from the internal and external dough nozzle. Control dough volume is through adjusting nut to be achieved. As turn the nut clockwise, dough volume will increase. On the contrary, turn the nut counterclockwise, it will decrease. Dough pipe should be controlled at about 1 millimeter. The thickness of dough pipe adjusted is through to turn the nut to be achieved. 3. Dumpling wrapper. The dry flour funnel and lower dough tray are full of dry flour. Turn the coupling handle of feeding stuffing to the position on and the stuffing volume is proper through adjusting handle. Then start machine. Dumpling is made continuously.